Welcome back to our Apache Superset course. Today we're going to create a line chart to visualize total sales by day using custom data sets and line chart. In this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on using SQL Lab to build a time series visualization that shows daily sales trends over time. Let's start by accessing SQL Lab. In the top navigation menu of Superset, click on SQL and then select SQL Lab from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the SQL Lab interface, which is divided into several sections. At the top, you'll see the Database selector. Click on this drop-down and select your database. We are selecting Sales Database. Next to it, we have Schema and then select the one containing the tables you want to query. For this time series data, we are taking orders table. Let's write a custom query to get started. We want to analyze daily sales trends, so we'll write a query that aggregates sales data by date. Our query will be select date function on order date column. This is just to get the only date from order date column as sale or date. Next, sum of quantity as product count from orders, where order date. Between and now, we can write any of the date which we want to get the data. Now we can do group by using date function on order date, order by sale date. This query selects the order date converted to a date format as sale date and sums up all quantities sold per day as product count. We are filtering data to show only December 2024 sales, grouping by the sale date and ordering chronologically to ensure our line chart displays properly. Once you've written your query, click the Run button, and now we have results in a table below the editor. We have two columns, sale date showing each day in December 2024, and product count showing the total quantity sold on each day. You can also use SQL Lab to create persistent data sets from your query results. After running a query, click on the Save Dataset button above the results table. This will create a new dataset in Superset based on your query. We can save this as total sales by date. Click on Save and Explore. The first thing we need to do in the chart editor is select the visualization type. We can click on View All Charts. This will take us directly on the chart type. Pop-up screen where we can choose chart as per our choice. Since we want to create a line chart to show sales trends over time, look for the line chart option in the visualization type selector. Click on it to select this visualization type. Now we need to configure our line chart. In the time section, we need to set up our time dimension. Click on the column section and select sale date. This tells Superset to use our date field as the x-axis for our time series chart. Next, in the metrics section, we need to define what we want to measure. Click on the metrics drop-down and select product count. This will be our y-axis, showing the quantity of products sold each day. As you make these selections, we should first click on the Update Chart button. You'll notice that the preview on the right updates to show your line chart taking shape. The line chart will now display with dates along the x-axis and product quantities along the y-axis, connected by a line that shows the trend over time. You can see how sales fluctuate day by day throughout December 2024. Let's customize our chart appearance. In the chart title section, give your chart a descriptive name like Total Sales by Day that clearly explains what the chart shows. Why? As you make changes, the preview updates in real time, so you can see exactly how your final chart will look. Once you are satisfied with the appearance and the data is displaying correctly, let's save it. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the chart editor. Our line chart is now ready, and can be added to dashboards or shared with other users. The line chart effectively shows daily sales patterns and makes it easy to spot trends, peaks, and dips in your sales data over the time period. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today about creating line charts for time series analysis in Apache Superset. Let's see in the next video.